First impressions matter, especially in a city as vibrant and character-rich as New Orleans. From historic Creole cottages to modern uptown homes, your front entry door plays a major role in how your property is perceived. If your door is outdated, weather-worn, or simply doesn't match your home's personality, replacing it can instantly elevate your curb appeal and overall home value. Your front door sets the tone in New Orleans. Homes are admired for their charm, color, and individuality. The entry door is often the focal point of the exterior, drawing the eye before anything else. A new entry door creates a welcoming, polished look that reflects pride of ownership. Whether you choose a bold color, elegant wood grain, or sleek modern design, the right door can completely transform how your home feels from the street. Old doors with peeling paint, warped frames, or faded finishes can make even a well-maintained home look tired. Entry door replacement offers a clean slate, one that immediately refreshes your home's appearance without requiring a full exterior renovation. Designed to match New Orleans architecture, New Orleans homes come in many architectural styles, and modern entry doors are designed to complement them all. For historic neighborhoods, replacement doors can preserve classic charm while adding updated durability. For newer homes, contemporary doors with glass panels or minimalist designs create a refined, upscale look. Customizable options allow homeowners to choose panel styles, glass inserts, hardware finishes, and colors that align with their home's aesthetic. The result is an entryway that feels intentional, cohesive, and uniquely yours. Color makes a bold statement. Few cities embrace color like New Orleans. A new entry door gives homeowners the opportunity to make a bold design statement or enhance existing exterior tones. Bright blues, deep reds, rich greens, or classic neutrals can all dramatically boost curb appeal when paired with the right finish. Replacing your door also ensures the paint or finish lasts longer, resisting fading, moisture, and everyday wear, essential in the New Orleans climate. Improved lighting and visual depth. Many modern entry doors feature decorative or frosted glass panels that allow natural light into your foyer while maintaining privacy. This added light creates depth and dimension, making your entryway feel more open and inviting. From the outside, glass accents add elegance and visual interest, helping your home stand out without overwhelming its design. A cleaner, more polished exterior. Beyond style, a new entry door improves the overall cleanliness of your home's exterior. Tight seals, properly aligned frames, and updated hardware eliminate gaps, rust, and misalignment that can detract from curb appeal. When your door fits perfectly and operates smoothly, it sends a subtle but powerful message: this home is cared for. Boosting value and buyer appeal. If you're considering selling your home in the future, entry door replacement is one of the simplest upgrades with noticeable impact. Buyers often judge a home within seconds, and a beautiful front door creates confidence before they even step inside. In New Orleans' competitive housing market, enhanced curb appeal can help your home stand out, attract more interest, and leave a lasting impression during showings. A small change with a big impact. Entry door replacement is more than a functional upgrade. It's a design decision that enhances your home's personality, charm, and street presence. For New Orleans homeowners, it's an opportunity to honor tradition while embracing modern comfort and style. If your front door no longer reflects the beauty of your home, replacing it may be the simplest way to fall in love with your exterior all over again.